Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Tech It's Simple channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show how you can download from Google Drive. But before getting started, let's have a little information about Google Drive. Google Drive is a popular cloud-based storage service that allows you to store, share, and collaborate on files with ease. So, to get started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, go to the Google Drive application. Then, this type of screen interface will be shown on your device. Tap on the three horizontal dots on the right side of the file that you want to download. Here, you can see various options which are related to this file. So, what you have to do is tap on Make Available Offline, below Add Started, and above Send a Copy option. Here, you have to tap on Save or Download. So, the file gets downloaded on your mobile phone. Wait for a while for preparing to export. This is how you can download from Google Drive app. If you found this tutorial video is helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also press the notification bell so you do not miss any updates from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.